Hello guys, welcome to Market Review. Today's date is August 21st. So let's take a look at what happened today. First, I want to mention why I was bullish during the morning session in pre-market. So the reason was the bullish SMT on the hourly, and the hourly high was engineered. So I was targeting the engineered liquidity, basically using the bullish SMT divergence. It was delivered but rejected, as you guys can see. That was the first thing. And the second thing was this 15-minute accumulation, which swept the sell side right before pre-market, which is trap shorts rather. And I was targeting the hourly high, which was 19,931. It delivered at 10:30 with a massive candle, but let's take a look at what happened on 1 minute basis. So here's the New York Open. New York Open kind of chopped a little. So first things first, actually, this is the trap breakout. That's the first leg. This is the dealing range EQ delivered. Second leg was delivered right before New York Open. That's why the market was choppy in the morning session. I mean, at open. So it rated the sell side one more time right here, and let's zoom in a little bit. This placed higher. This is the first fair value gap. Didn't respect it, but there is also this OB here that was respected, and market delivered buy side, diverged here, and because of that divergence it came to raid sell side one more time and made a rally. I thought this was going to be end up at 19,931. Didn't do it. Came down one more time to the fair value gap, manipulated basically. This low was swept on micros but didn't take it on minis. So, and from there it delivered the drawn liquidity, rejected here, but the rejection is not a smart money reversal. It's basically clean highs, always a sus, always suspicious. So V-shaped rejection, but clean highs though. That's why I was still bullish on the PM session. So here what happened was it came down, formed a low, ran the low one time, ran the low second time, 3 drives, and it rallied. This rally is basically towards the range EQ. It rejected there. I think that was an SMT divergence also. Let's take a look at it. Go down to 1. Right here, yep. It's an SMT with equals on ES. Here's the SMT divergence at range EQ. This is basically the premium portion of the BPR. Rejected there, just wicked, algorithmic delivery, and delivered sell side here. That was probably the best setup for the morning session. And secondly, you can also trade the pullback. How? After the 3 drives, you have hold on 1 second, I forgot my thought. I mean, yeah, I forgot my thought, but anyways. So it delivered the sell side here, another V-shaped rejection, displaced above the OB, formed the OB. This is the order block after sell side is taken. This is basically 2022 model. Now the market is in buy model, targeting the equal highs on ES. This is equal highs on ES. Went for the day volume balance. Kind of, I mean, it delivered, but it was a slow grind, basically all the way up here. Slow grind, and delivered the buy side right at 2 o'clock. Now at that point, it's a bit sketchy because of the FOMC. Now what happened was FOMC didn't have a wick, so the market, although it rallied, it came down to the wick here, the gap, and swept sell side a couple times here and delivered buy side one more time. This is also range EQ. here to the high. That's the range EQ, and this is a bullish SMT divergence, which means we have sell side laying right at the equal lows, or relatively equal lows rather. So here range EQ delivered the second leg, and the second leg failed, but again there is no smart money reversal at the high here. It was just a V shape, so the highs are still clean. First fair value gap down, came up to the range EQ of this range, rejected the range EQ and sold off to the sell side. Now that sell side is taken, now we have a new 2022 model. Rejected the sell side. How do I know it's a rejection? Because of the fair value gaps here. And then you can also use the first leg range here for the second stage delivery. Came down into the discount portion of the fair value gap and rated the buy side here, clean highs, rated it, and the market closed there. Today was it was not an easy day. It was too much back and forth, but you know, the 1 minute PA was actually not that bad. It did what it's supposed to, and I think the drawn liquidity should be here. I don't know if it tagged it. No, it hasn't yet, but this is the drawn liquidity for Asia session, and ultimately the high from today is the drawn liquidity. It's gonna get up there probably tomorrow, because it's equal highs, very clean highs, very suspicious, and the sell side was taken, so I'm expecting a run on buy side liquidity from here. Going into tomorrow, I'm still bullish, guys. We have a breakaway gap. Hopefully this ends up being a breakaway gap, and we have the daily volume imbalance high, Thursday's high, Wednesday's high rather, and the high from July 23rd. I'm expecting tomorrow to be a trending day towards the upside. Hopefully it'll end up being a trending day and an easy day, so we can bank on something right before we wrap the week. So hope you guys find this insightful. Have a wonderful day, guys. Stay safe. I'll talk to you later. See ya.